Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna present you a new website. It's called Zazzle, like you see with me here. First thing, let me give you, like usual, a short idea about this website. Zazzle is an online marketplace and custom printing platform that allows users to design, create, and sell personalized products. So to get started with this website, simply head on over to Zazzle or Zazzle.com in Google or any other browser. This is the results I got, excuse me, over here. We need to choose the official sites. This one here, Zazzle, personalized custom gifts and instant download. Let's choose this one. Like you see with me here, this is the present page of the website. You can sign up or sign in from here, or sell on Zazzle from here. We have here different items, cards, ribbons, graduation, Father's Day, we have birthday, we have baby shower, we have a lot of subjects. And other items here, we have summer clothing, outdoor decor, and a lot of things here to see. So we're gonna come back to this one later after we try to create an account and sign in. So to sign in, you need to go over here and click. And then like you see me here, if you have an already account, you will just create your email and address and sign in, or from these other choices. If this is the first time in Zazzle like me, let's create an account from here. Don't have a Zazzle account like you see. Let's click on it. Now we need to put our email address. And then let's click on create new account. So this is the present page after the creating the account. It's loaded. Here they need more information. First name, okay, let's just choose Susan. The last name will be Brian. And click on OK. This one should be clicked. So this is the present page. Here we find your account and all the parameters for it. Here the notification, here the languages, the comments and live chats, and here store. And like we said before, this is some subjects here, the baby shower, etc. The trending, you can find it over here. And just to check it out, and let me see this website is presents you the customization option. The Zazzle provides users with robust design tool to create their own customized products. Customers can upload their own images, add text, choose from a library of graphics, and adjust placements and sizing in. This flexibility allows for unique and personalized designs. And also the products selection, you can select any one of them, and Zazzle offers an extensive range of products to choose from, including clothing, accessories, home decor, electronics accessories, office supplies, and more. And users can explore various categories and find the perfect item to customize and personalize. Okay, let's check out my stuff over here. There's no stuff because this is the first time I get into this website. Okay, let's try to start a new design over here. It's very easy. Like you see here, you will select the size you want to design on it, and then you will choose one from this layers here to choose the text you wanna write, and here we have already some texts to choose from, like you see over here, and just put it and place that you want, and you can customize from here. Just click on it and click on this one here, and you can see some elements to choose from. You can adjust size and place. It's very easy to use. And here's some icons. The animals, borders, cats, dogs, flowers, and food. There's a lot of stickers. Like you see with me here. We have some backgrounds, like you see with me. Okay, let's choose this one. And then your files from here, products from here. Let's like example choose this one. Now we are designing on it, and can change the digital from here and layers like we said before. And then just you will this is how it's gonna be. See here, this is the back and this is front of. So yeah, now let's come back to see other things. And this website is also present you print on demand, like Spreadshirt and Society 6. Zazzle operates on print on demand model. Products are produced and shipped individually as order are as products and shipped individually as order are placed, eliminating the need for inventory management and allowing for customization option. So the website is very easy to use and to create an account. This is all what I can tell you today about Zazzle. So if you like the video and understand, please follow for more and subscribe. So like usual guys, bye bye to the next video and next website.